Come on, Nero, you got it. He went all the way up there. That's pretty cool, right? He could go like Minnesota. Come on, Minnesota. This dog has some talent. That's pretty amazing. Watch him go up there. He should go down, and Nero goes up. Look at him. Go to the top one. Oh wait, that is the top. That's Zeus.
Stop, Keisha. Stop it. I'm gonna tell her mom. You stop, dude. I don't care from her. I don't care. You're not gonna stand in here.
Yeah, that's Deja. That's Zeus. Look at Zeus go. He's only 10 years old.
Stop it. I'm gonna tell her mom.
Wow, she got some sass.
I could do the monkey
Look,
bar.
look at Zeus. Alright, maybe not there. Alright, they can do this. I already know they can. Look at Zeus. I mean, Nero. There's so many dogs. They have 4. 2 of them just got whooped. Alright, Zeus. This is Zeus. Shoot. There's Nero. He can get up the steps. Oh, look at him go. He's running rubber. Oh, he's burning his feet. That's what he's doing. Okay. Look at Nero go. Oh, he slipped. Oh, he's got it. Your dogs have some talent. Cujo can sing happy birthday, and Nero can go up the steps. It's pretty amazing. Now he wants to play with it.
Where's Booter Dash?
I don't know. I'm mad at you.
Station, you want to do that one thing?
I think Zeus wants to play with it too.
Where's Zeus though?
Zeus, go find your bouncy thing, Majiggy.
Oh my god.